Background music starts playing softly. Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, comparing the Canon EOS R50 and the Sony ZV-E10. Are you ready? Let's roll! First up, let's talk about the image quality. Both cameras feature a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor. Reviewers of the Canon EOS R50 rave about its excellent video quality, performance, and sharp images, making it ideal for beginners. However, some users noted that the battery life could be lacking. In contrast, the Sony ZV-E10 is praised for its refined color science, enhancing skin tones for an appealing look. Users love how it makes selfies glow without filters. Now, let's discuss video capabilities. The Canon EOS R50 offers 4K uncropped video at up to 30 FPS, making it a great choice for cinematic content. Amazon reviewers appreciate its video quality, although a fast SD card is recommended. On the other hand, the Sony ZV-E10 also delivers UHD 4K at 30 FPS and Full HD at 120 FPS. Plus, it comes with a directional mic for crisp audio. Users highlight its excellent performance for video recording, though some have experienced overheating issues. Next, let's talk autofocus. The Canon EOS R50 comes with dual-pixel CMOS AF2, covering 100% of the frame, which is a hit among users who value its speed and accuracy. Reviewers note it keeps up well with fast-moving subjects. The Sony ZV-E10 features 425-point fast hybrid AF, and users report it's impressively quick, making it ideal for capturing dynamic scenes. Both cameras excel in this category, ensuring you won't miss a moment. User-friendliness is crucial for both beginners and experienced users. The Canon EOS R50 has an advanced A+ assist mode, which users find very helpful. They appreciate its lightweight design and ease of use. The Sony ZV-E10 features a 3.0 flip-out touchscreen, perfect for selfies. However, some reviewers mentioned difficulties with the lengthy manual, suggesting that new users might need to rely on online tutorials for setup. Finally, let's discuss accessories. The Canon EOS R50 is compact and lightweight, making it great for travel, but it doesn't come with many extras. Users enjoy its simplicity. The Sony ZV-E10, however, includes a comprehensive accessory kit, which many users find valuable, especially for beginners starting out. Though some have experienced issues with missing or broken items, the overall value of the bundle is appreciated by many. In summary, the Canon EOS R50 is celebrated for its image quality and user-friendly design, making it a great choice for beginners. However, it does have some battery life concerns. Meanwhile, the Sony ZV-E10 is favored for its video capabilities and extensive accessory kit, although some users face challenges with overheating and customer service. So which camera should you buy? If you prefer a lightweight, easy-to-use camera with great image quality, the Canon EOS R50 is a solid choice. But if you're a vlogger or content creator needing versatility and accessories, the Sony ZV-E10 is your best friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.